Greetings, universe. Welcome in, Kisley. Welcome in, Clone. Good to see you around. Good to have you around. Really happy that you guys were able to join. How are you guys doing? Oh, hello, Tank. Welcome in, welcome in. How are you guys doing? Hope your day's going okay? It's just the morning for some of you, as I see in chat. Oh, Kisame, you finished the stream really almost in time for my stream. Okay, how was your stream? How was your stream? Were you able to get some progress done on your game? I'm actually curious, like, how many hours do you put into your game each week? If that's something that is consistent for you, that is. Ah, 2D polygons. I'm very happy to hear that your day today was productive. Tank says I had yard stuff to do yesterday, but not today. That's awesome. That's awesome. It means that today you're free to rest. To rest and play video games. Yay! Good to hear. And thank you, Kwal. I believe you know what it is. I believe you're familiar with this how do I say it? Album? I believe you're familiar with the album. I've heard it in one of your streams as well. Oh no, actually it was Diana. Yeah, so I think I've heard in one of your streams the Diana album, but this is the Raw album right now. Hope you like it. Kissley says, right now I'm not making a game, only working on my sheep overlay. I would say 6 to 10 hours a week since June. It is good training. Oh, you're making a cute overlay for yourself. That's awesome. Yeah, I remember you told me. Also, if I remember correct, you were working on a sheep animation as well. It was also for your overlay or something, right? I mean, I personally have many ideas on how to make my own overlay more interactive and more sophisticated, but I really need to budget my time. It's either I'm working on making my overlay more interactive, or I'm working on the game. I cannot do both. I just don't have enough time to do everything that I want to do. Also, honestly, I would have remade my model a little bit as well if I had the time. I mean, I like it. The model is very cute, but I think I would have updated the clothes, you know? But all of this stuff just takes so much time, and really need to think how I spend my time. You guys, and also myself, we all need to be very intentional with our time. Time is probably the most valuable resource we have. So we need to use it wisely. Tank says, yep, got Anna. One monitor and you up on the others. It's video game day. Yay! video games. Relaxing after a hard week of work. It's important, so I'm happy you get to do that. Yes, only says, yes, I draw and animate them myself. Everything is new, everything is learning. That's so fun. That's so fun. I really do need to check out your progress for sure. I think a sheep overlay is going to be super cute. Interactive overlay is really time consuming to make. Including dev art, etc. Oh yeah. Like the best interaction the most complicated interaction I have on this stream is Darley. And probably the fact that you can play tic-tac-toe on his face. And also the fact that he reacts to alerts. But that wasn't so hard to implement. I mean, I really like the fact that Starly can react to all sorts of events, which includes like YouTube stuff and Twitch stuff and even coffee stuff. Like coffee, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's like Patreon, but a bit different. So I really like how Starly can react to all of that. And also, I think it's really cool that you can play tic-tac-toe on his face. Multi-stream, like someone from YouTube can play against someone on Twitch. So that's fun for me at least. Guess only, what kind of interaction are you creating for your overlay? I'm curious about that. Only says, talking about time management, I will join the GMTK Game Jam next weekend. 4 days of game dev full time all day. I am really hyped, but also I need to be careful with sleep management and all. Oh yeah. I am also planning on joining the GMTK Game Jam actually. Hopefully I'll be able to have some time to join. I'm not sure I will be able to do it for the full 4 days, but maybe for some of it I will be able to join. So that's definitely going to be fun. Guess only, are you planning to stream your progress? I'm thinking whether we ask the same thing. I'm considering it. I don't know. Should I stream the progress? I'm curious if I should, because it's a little bit confusing to do this during stream, you know? Like, for me, I'm still not used to it, to just having people watching me do stuff. I mean, if it's art, it's not so bad. But if it's code, it's just too scary. Because I know that I'm not doing the best practices that I would have if I was alone. It's just that there's this pressure of making things work during the stream, and if I want to make things work, then this is going to be more of the quick and dirty approach rather than the more relaxed type, you know? Thanks, I find it super interesting. Yeah. I suppose if my game that I'm working on, I plan to stream my way of data retrieval. I mean, I'm planning, I really hope I will get to this. I really hope I will have time for that. But basically, I really want to create this kind of feature that collects events and statistics that happen during a game. and just collect data of what's happening in the game. So whenever I will playtest the game, then I will get this valuable info about what's happening and how and when. You know, it's really important. It's really important to have that. So this is definitely something I'm going to stream, like the process of that part. Although on the other hand, Steam already has this type of feature that collects this type of data, and then it's like really easy to integrate this with Steam. So I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm debating in my head on whether I wanna create something like that or not. I mean, I really want to, but this feels a little bit like reinventing the wheel in one way or another. Does that make sense? I mean, the positive about this, about creating this type of tool, is that I'm not going to rely on Steam for data, for information about playtests. But on the other hand, the negative is I'm definitely going to use Steam either way, even for the demo. So yeah, so like Steam already has a tool like that, you know? Kiz only says I started dev and stream, and my channel is about learning the whole doing, so I am very okay to stream everything. Oh, Kiz only, I'm also okay with streaming everything. It's just the pressure of like, I need to do this, I need to do something, and I have this very little amount of time, so I will make it quick and dirty, and I just know it's dirty, and it's just really boggling my mind, like, oh my, I am making so many programmatical mistakes of like good practices, and willingly, knowingly making those mistakes, it's just it just boggles my mind, and that's the hard part. I suppose. Thanks, says, oh, that's so cool. You know, I'm in data nerd. Yes. I also love collecting statistics and make them make sense. Like all of these numbers in the CSV, they just numbers. And then you create graphs out of them, and suddenly they make sense and tell a story. That's really cool. I also like that. Okay, somebody says my overlay interactions. Sheep wander on screen. When viewers talk to each other, sheep come walk towards each other to talk. And then there are commands for channel points and rewards. Oh, that's so cute. I think this is so cute. I mean, good luck with this project. I think it's so cute. Are you familiar with stream avatars? I mean, have you considered using stream avatars? I kind of did, but I really like making my own stuff. I also, like, before I knew about stream avatars, I really wanted to make something like that. But it's just that, yeah, I really need to prioritize my time on what kind of projects I want to take. Yeah. But Kizali, that's such a cute idea. Kizali says action equals limited in time, like a sheep drinking, a sheep setting another one on fire. Viewers can be so chaotic sometimes. By the way, I for the game that we're making with the bunnies, I also want them to have like a Twitch and YouTube integration as well. But honestly, this is something that is probably not going to be part of the demo. The demo should be smaller in scope. So, I don't know if I will get to that, but yeah, I really hope I will. I mean, I have so many plans. I just need to prioritize between all of the ideas I have. Ugh! That's the toughest part. Tank says, I am always for aggregating data yourself. Well, actually, the data that Steam... I mean, if I will send data to Steam, it will be very raw. So I will still be able to aggregate it myself. I mean... So... Tank, what do you think could be a reason to actually do this myself? I mean, I really want to because it's really... It sounds fun. And I won't be obligated to rely on Steam, which is nice. But on the other hand, I am still going to use Steam even for the demo. So I'm just... Is it worth spending my time on this? I wonder if there is a reason to do this, to collect the data myself, other than it's going to be fun, which I guess is also a reason. Kesonly says, mood equals a timeless behavior for now. I only have one mood coded, which is sulking. Ooh, that's so cute. I clean and fix my code offline usually. Yeah, sometimes I clean and fix the code offline sometimes, but I just don't have enough time, so sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just leave it as is, just because I really need to work on prioritizing what I have to do. It's like, okay, this feature is going to be looking not very nice, unless it's look really bad, and then I definitely go again and remake it. But really, there's just so much to accomplish, so sometimes ugly code stays ugly code forever. Kesonly says, there is a lot to do on overlay. For now I have only one mood. The sulking sheep looks for an area far from the others and go there and sits. Sulking, and I will start soon with the first action, which will be drink water when someone triggers the hydrate channel reward. Oh, that's so cute. That's adorable. I love it. I love it, Kisonline. This is such a cute idea. I love it so much. And good luck with that. I think it's absolutely adorable. Stream avatars inspired me for that, but interactions are so limited. Doing it myself is much better. Yes, I agree. When you do everything yourself, you just have way more control. No, Kisonly, don't worry about it. I love it. I love this conversation we have right now. I really like it. I enjoy it a lot. So please don't worry about it. Thing says, I should be clear for actual production. I get using the intermediary servers. The value is great. I just like data integration projects. Yeah, me too. I love them so much. They're just so much fun. I don't know. Something about it is just a lot of fun. So I totally agree. Something about combining things together and making things work. I just love it as well. Like the actual process of taking data from one place and putting it in some other. I love it as well. Yeah. Yezonly says, Keep the Twitch integration idea in a corner of your brain. I can help you with it later if you need. I'm using the Doe add-on called Twitcher, made by Connie Dev. It is easy to use, and Connie is always happy to help and explain about it. Oh, well, I already have like my own Twitch I'm using Starly. I'm using YouTube integration and Twitch integration on Starly already. But the fact that they're already something that already exists, that can be really fun. On the other hand, Starly has like a Python Flask backend server, and the front end for him is just vanilla JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I think I would still want to use like an actual server if I would. I mean, if I would make... you get me dreaming about all the possibilities. If I was able to... If I had the time to actually make my overlay more interactive, which I have so many ideas for, then I would have kept my Python server, my Flask Python server, I think, because it already has integration with YouTube and Twitch, honestly, and with like Ko-Fi also. Like, I like the fact that I have integration with like all of these 3 tools. But if we're talking about the bunnies game and the integration I wanted to have with either Twitch or YouTube, maybe it's a good idea to use the Twitcher add-on. I will check it out. I would really love to check out the Twitcher Godot integration. I wonder if there's also a YouTube library. Is there a YouTube library as well, I wonder? Because I really like how Starly uses both YouTube and Twitch, so I would definitely want to keep that for the bunny game as well. I mean, I want to give each person in chat their own bunny, and so they will be able to also take care of the bunny and give them toys and give them food and give them love and maybe put like a cute hat or a bow on the bunny. These are things that I want to do, so I think it's going to be really cute. What do you think about that? Qualm says, I've been thinking lately that just because I can do it well doesn't mean I have to be the person to do it, especially in the assets department for streaming, because time. I get it so much. I mean, yes, for sure. Like, okay, to be fair, I really wanted to make my own overlay for streaming and my own model for streaming. I just really like making things on my own. But this is, I guess this is my toxic trait. That I like making things on my own even though I don't have to. Even though there are so many amazing free assets out there. Like, there are so many beautiful overlays for like very cheap or even for free. But I just like making things on my own. I guess this is my toxic trait, but I think your mindset is very healthy. I mean, have you ever noticed that Jupiter behind me is rotating? Like, very slowly, but it is rotating. I mean, I did not have to do that. But I just really wanted, you know? you know? Yeah. And also, the sky is also moving in a way that make sense, like astronomically. But I think, well, your approach is much more healthier. Yeah, and I'm trying to adapt it, which is why I don't spend my time right now on making my overlay more interactive, and instead making sure I put some progress into the game. Kazumi says, agreed. I only do it myself because it is a nice long background project for learning stuff and interacting with my small community. Yes, I think this is such a great idea. And also, I mean, when I created my overlay, I did stream the process, and I think Tank even knows. I mean, I think Tank even saw how I created Starly. It's like server side. So I think this is a really fun thing to do with your community for sure. I definitely agree. And yes, you learn so much from doing it. Okay, Kazumi, I see that you sent a link for the GitHub of Twitcher. Okay, I will definitely look into it. That can be fun. But I do wonder if there's also like a YouTube integration. Think! Yes, everyone will get a bunny. Kazumi says, I am not sure if there is an add-on already made for YouTube in Godot, but if it is a REST API or a WebSocket, then you can also do it manually with HTTP request in Godot without any add-on. Twitcher is only making it easier for managing the payload data and not writing the HTTP request yourself. Well, I already have all of the HTTP request stuff ready, honestly. I mean, I already have everything, and GDScript is super similar to Python, then I'm sure it will be okay. I'm sure that's going to be a fun project. I'm sure it's going to be like a nice way to do it. Like, I already have all of this stuff figured out for Starly. Maybe I should make a plugin for YouTube integration. No, I don't have time for that. I don't know. Maybe after I'm done with the demo. Thanks says, I got some of it anyway. Yeah. You definitely saw how I made Starly. It was quite a while ago, wasn't it? Phew. Okay. I think wow. Okay, it was really fun chatting with you guys. I have to say, this was probably one of the longest intros we had to you actually working. Well, that was nice. Thank you guys for sharing your thoughts with me today. That was really nice. Okay, I think we can get this started. Oh, what is happening? No. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, so what you guys see here, I mean, can you guess what it is? Can you? I don't know. Do you understand what you see here? Do you get it? Please give me a guess of what do you see. I mean, I just don't know how clear it is what it is. How clear is it? I don't know. Boom says, no, I'm just now thinking about it. For some reason, I still haven't had any emotes in over 2 years. Oh, I think you should definitely make your own emotes. I think that's going to be really fun for your viewers, you know? I really do. think it's going to be really, really fun for them to see your work on stuff. Okay. Okay. I think something about the meshes here is really messed up. And I just really don't know how to fix this. So, what I'll have to do is I'll just create like a circle, probably. I'll just create a circle. And I will rotate it towards us. Let's see. If the circle... Wait, why can't we see the UV map for the circle? Eh? Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to update the size of the circle a little bit. I mean... This is probably going to be the shape. Almost. Yeah, something like that. And now we will make it super small, super small. Small and cute. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's down there. And now it's going to be the like yellow part. The yellow part of the egg. That's what it's going to be. But it has to be... Whoops. It has to be smaller. Yeah, Starly is too big, isn't he? We will need to tell Starly to go away. I'm sorry, Starly. Goodbye. Here we go. Bye, Starly. Yes. He's gone. Okay, so we need... I don't understand why this part doesn't have any of these squares that should have appeared. That's weird. So we will move this that way. Okay. Okay, need to make it smaller. Let's make it smaller. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Now this is small enough, right? This is not quite it. There we go. Now it's looking nice. But we need to rotate it a little bit. Like so. Does this look good? Or does it look like too much of the yellow part of the egg? This should be okay. Yeah, I think this is fine. Now we need to make some textures for it. How do we make textures? Yeah, I'm not sure. These are things that I have no idea how to do. I'm just trying things out. Maybe I should check out the tutorial. Okay. I will check out the tutorial. Let's see what the tutorial says. We'll make another cube. We can select all of the faces, which are here for sure. And now we can do apply to elements. Oh. And then append to elements. I guess it's something like that. This is weird. Like, what's going on? Maybe now we can see. No, I don't see anything. Okay, maybe I wonder what's going to happen if I will paint this. Let's take the color picker and use this yellow. Now let's try. What happens here? That doesn't work right. Not as expected. Wait, what? I don't understand what's going on. Do you understand what's going on? I don't know, did it work? Let's see. Let's look for this here. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's right here. Okay. What if we're going to press G? Wait. Why? Whenever I press G, it just doesn't show the grid on this circle. That's so weird. What's going on?変ですよ。変ですね。Maybe we'll just have to keep it like that and carry on. Okay, what do we want to paint next? I think I would like to paint the chairs. I think it'll be fun to paint the chairs. Let's try to use some kind of pink to make it shiny. Maybe around the edge. Should be shiny around the edge. Okay, I think I need to look on an actual chair. Hello, Angstdoto. Welcome in. How are you doing? I am currently trying to work out Blockbench. I cannot say it's working. It's way tougher than it looks. But it's fun. Yeah, that's probably what we're going to have. No, I don't like it. Maybe something like this. We need to add some kind of a gradient, I think. To make it look more pixelated, I suppose. That will be a way to do it. And now we need to go with even a lighter color. Whoop. It's just going to be this one. Here we go. Ugh. Now let's spoil this part. We need something really, really pale to make it seem like actual metal. I think we're going to do something like this. And then use a really dark shade. A really, really dark shade underneath. Oh, that's too dark. It will look like metal if the contrast will be large enough. Otherwise, not quite. Also, I think it would be nice to add this dash of line, dash of light right here. That will look nice. This is confusing. One, two. And one more. Wait. Well, that's not quite the angle I wanted for this. That's the one though. Here it is. Now it looks nice. I mean, I hope so. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, it's cute. Right. I would definitely want to add some fading shadow. Probably. Let's see, we have a gradient tool on here. Yes, there it is. Oh, that's not the way I would want to use it. This is the way. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the way. But from this side, I would say it should already become dark. Here it should also become dark. Casually says need some rest. I will stay here lurking, but I'm probably napping. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't worry about it. I really appreciate that you were able to chat with me a little bit about cool topics such as game development for overlays. This is also something I like talking about, so that's cool. Gasoline says, enjoy the stream. Have a good end of the day. Thank you so much. You too. Okay. So need to somehow update these two to be looking nice. How do we make them blend together in a nice way? Yeah, that looks cool. Let's replicate that on the other side. Whoa, that's nicer. That's even nicer. There we go. Yes, this is satisfying. This looks so nice. But nobody will ever see that part. Ooh. Yes. That looks so nice. I like this chair now. Surely it needs some work. But not anything we cannot handle. Here we go. And here it is. Now, this looks so nice. Ooh, this looks so good. I wish I could select this part and replicate it to the other. Because it's so good. There. Maybe that's the way to go. Yeah, that's good enough, I guess. Is this the same color? What? Yes, it is. Huh. Ugh. This chair looks so nice. Hope you agree. Look at that chair. Looks all nice and comfy. Okay, we can make it look even comfier. No. Comfy, comfy, comfy. Comfy, comfy, comfy. No, it does not look very comfy. Ugh. Okay. I hope now the chair looks comfy. I like this chair. Looks so nice. Hope you agree. Okay, maybe the light part here should be less saturated. Oh, well, hello. Yes, yes. This is a great guess. Cicada or Cicada? Welcome in, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Cicada. Is it like the insect? Yes. As you can see, this is a this is a ramen stall in space for everyone who needs some ramen on the go. You know what I mean? Well, that's still cute. Yes. So as you can see, you were perfectly right. That's a great first guess. Probably the first one to guess just from the first time. So that's impressive. Are you familiar with block bench? What do you say about that chair? That chair looks nice, doesn't it? Yum. Unfortunately, I don't have any prizes aside from a digital ramen coupon. I hope that's fine. Hope that's good enough. Yeah, so I'm practicing block bench right now. So I could use it in the game jam, in the GMTK game jam that is happening very soon. So I'm learning it a little bit. I mean, you can use your coupon in this lovely spaceship that you see here. Yeah. So the game is about all different restaurants in space. This is one restaurant out of a few. And they're all in space. Oh no, what happened here? And they're all in space. All the restaurants. Oh no. Oh my goodness. My textures. They gone really wrong here. Oh no. What happened? Something bad happened to my textures here. Hey. It looks like this one here is related to this one here. That's not good. Hey. I wonder how it happened. 예. 됐어요. What do you think about the game idea so far? Yeah. Kanji imasu. Oh, well, hello, golden dude. Welcome in. Welcome in. Omoshiro. Oh. Omoimasu. Omoimasu? Eh. Odorimashou. Welcome, Golden. Look at it. Look at the progress we have made. Isn't that lovely? Look at that chair. I have created a textured chair. Hee. 好きですか? Ramen 好きです。いい。Okay, so there's the GMTK game jam in about a week, in less than a week even. And I am practicing new skills for the game jam, so I will be able to do some 3D modeling a little bit relatively quick because I am not familiar with 3D at all. So just in case we will need some 3D stuff for our game environment and the game jam. A game jam is like a hackathon but just for games. So yeah. Golden Dude says, and do you think it's fair that you are way too talented? Oh, Mr. Golden Dude, thank you so much. Really appreciate your kind words. I think that it is a great way to accelerate your progress, you know, in game development. Like whenever you do hackathons or game jams, you just accelerate your progress with your skills because the pressure of time is just so pressury. You know? So yes, you just get your skills get like super upgraded in a short amount of time. That's nice. I'm just surprised that this texture got overridden. It was not supposed to get overridden. That's weird. And this wheel. And this. What's going to happen if I'm going to delete those? If I will delete the meshes here. Sikada-san. I am not familiar with kanji at all. And this. Oh. Wakarimashita. Only hiragana. Even katakana is hard for me because I don't practice it much. I don't really have the opportunity to practice my katakana. So, only hiragana for me. I feel like I'm making things worse. I'm trying to replicate this mesh that we see here into the other side. Duplicate. Yada 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 yada. This one will be deleted. Why are they related? Somehow. Maybe they're grouped together or something? How do I ungroup them? Oh, I don't think that Blender is. I mean, Blockbench is not the cool new thing for sure. No way. I mean, it's just that I am a pixel artist, and wait, Golden Dude, this is actually the type of katakana that I am familiar with. It says America. America this. America 人ですか？あなたはアメリカ人ですか？ Okay, something is really weird happening here. If I delete one of them, it just deletes the other one as well. That's weird. I will try to do it this way. Delete. Ha! Successful! Successful! Can I say that? Can I say successful? Yata. There. I fixed it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wait. I learned something funny. At least for me, it's funny. Here. There we go. Hehe. So, yeah, Blender is still the cool guy. Well, you can write in hiragana. It will be a nice practice for me. Anyway, Blender is still the awesome 3D modeling software for sure. It's just that I am a pixel artist, and this program is for creating pixel textures. So. So yes. I'm afraid something really weird happened here. That's not what I meant to happen. Anyway, I'm going to continue as planned. I'm going to make... No! That's not what I meant. I'm going to paint the egg in brown, like that. At least from the outside. Like so. There we go. There we go. But I'm not sure what happened here. I really don't know what happened here. Let's see if there's a way for me to fix this. Maybe your Blender knowledge can help here. What do you think? Could it be? Maybe I'll just drag it somewhere. Somewhere else. Somewhere here. And then I will paint it. Yeah, I guess my way right now is to just drag all of these elements elsewhere. It seems like they're not in their correct position, so I'll just, I don't know, put them randomly somewhere here. But that's probably not a good way to fix it. Hazukashi-yo. I mean, that's way too manual, isn't it? If it was Blender, I would probably re-unwrap it. But then I will have to redo the texture. Isn't that right? Nee. Only the ones that are broken. Yeah. I don't know how to do it for just the ones that are broken, but let's try. Yosh. I think they're all stuck right here. So I guess I can just move them. Yay. Yatta! I'm just doing stuff randomly. That's probably not the best way to do it. I guess the rest of them are stuck on one another. Is this going to fix it? I think. Maybe. Okay, now let's try again. I guess we have two of them that are not, that are overlapping. So it's probably this one. There we go. I don't know. I really don't know. Look, it looks like Doritos. I think I'm just not using it right. I don't think. I really don't think. Normally you have the colors on the texture. Yeah, I really think this is my fault. I don't think this is. Wait, what is happening here? It's probably my fault. I'm probably making some weird things here. Nah, it's probably my fault. Like, can I draw here? Oh, I can. Let's see if it does something. I want the inner part to be more yellow and nice. So let's try to do that and see what happens. Ooh. Oh wow, this is... Yes, I suppose you're right. I would want them to overlap at the same spot. Maybe I should do it. Maybe I should do that. Let's do that, actually. That sounds like a good idea. You know? They should overlap because they're the exact same texture, right? Now, how do I collect them all together to overlap? How do I... I'm trying to rotate it and just... It doesn't rotate to the... It rotates to the other side and I'm trying to make it rotate. I don't know what I'm doing. 助けて! 助けてください. I will just do it like this. Hey. Adi. This is a very high resolution. You see, this is a super high resolution. I don't know if I hate it or not. Maybe it's nice. It's not nice. I am suffering right now. It looks like you can right-click after selecting them all and go to Tools, UV Mapping, Project from View to organize it better. Okay, let's give it a try. But look how much progress I have made. Okay, let's give it a try. So, first, I will select them all. Then I'm going to go to Tools, and to UV Mapping. どこですか? Tools. According to the video you watched. Tools. I just pressed M and Tools and nothing happened. Maybe I'm just right click. No. On the egg. Oh yes, okay. Texture? It looks different for you in the video. Well, hello. UV. Auto UV. Let me show you what I'm doing. I am practicing block bench because I have no idea about 3D modeling, like at all. Zero. I have zero knowledge for 3D modeling, but I am a pixel artist, so I decided to try it out. So I will be prepared for the GMTK game jam that is happening in less than a week. So yes, so imagine, yes, this is a spaceship ramen restaurant. To catch some ramen on the go in space. Yeah. Are you familiar with 3D modeling or game making? Are you a game dev? Okay. Back to trying to fix the egg UV mapping. What should I do? What should I do? What kind of games do you make? That sounds interesting. 面白い、面白い。Oh, that's cool. That's why you have 3D knowledge then. Connect UV faces. What did I do? Ugh. I made some mess. I would try project from view and see if it's what you want. Project from view. I am very close to giving up, you know. Maybe it's good enough this way. Maybe it is. Yes. Ugh. So, how did you learn Japanese? Yes, let's just paint this like peasants. Ooh. That's fun. What did you learn in university? I don't consider myself as someone who knows Japanese. Ooh, that's cool. So, like, you actually learn the language itself when you learn about Asia stuff as a degree? That's interesting. That's cool. Are you also familiar with other Asian languages then? That's so cool. Yeah, I would not say I'm familiar with Japanese, like at all. Ooh. Reading the Korean alphabet. I mean, you're familiar with kanji, that's That's quite something. It means that you probably also understand some written Chinese. Not spoken, but maybe written. Because you're familiar with some kanji. I feel like a peasant. I am doing some very peasanty work. Right here. Why not Python? Maybe it is Python. Dun dun dun. It can be two things actually. It can be Python and it can be Russian. But yeah, it's Python. Oh geez, I got you. Is it acceptable? Is it an acceptable egg? Can you accept this egg the way it looks? Ah, it's so bad. Ugh. Yesterday, I had such a nice egg that looked really lovely. But now, I'm struggling with it so hard. What do you think about this? Yes, I guess I should learn Blender someday. But, okay, about Blender. How easy it is to texture in pixel art. Like, can you see this chair? This chair looks really nice and pixelated. And it looks comfy and it's pixels and it's cute. So I wonder how easy it is to achieve the same look in Blender. Ooh, Blender understands Python. That's awesome. Anyway, do you like ramen? Maybe it is nice. Okay, maybe to have some relaxed time, I will paint the chopsticks for now because the egg is stressing me out. This one over here. Nah. You're just messing with me, are you? Maybe I need a lighter color actually. Maybe this one. This is still rather dark. Maybe this. Yeah, that's nice. Yada yada. This is not easy. Nah, that does not look nice. I'm gonna delete this. Looks better this way. Maybe we can add some shading here. Maybe that will look good. Let's try. Do something like that. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah. Did you make your YouTuber avatar? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I have also created my overlay and my streaming companion Starly. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy you appreciate it. Yes, all of the overlays that you see here are also mine. Like everything here is my creation. And I'm happy you like that. The pixels are not aligning very well. That's fine. Yeah. There we go. What? Let me show you the rest. Let me show you my other screen. Here we go. Ta-da! So this is like my other screen that I have. And maybe I will show you Starly as well. Yes, yes. And if you will check out Jupiter, Jupiter is also moving around. Also, Starly is affected by followers and subscribers and donations and stuff like that. And also, you can play tic-tac-toe on Starly's face. That's also an option. I know so. I have these kind of emotes here. Haha. When I'm happy. The Kada says, I feel like you should do voxels instead of low poly. You would be strong at voxels. So voxels are like 3D pixel art stuff. Thank you so much. Yay. 嬉しいです。嬉しいです。ありがとうございます。Okay. Look at them. Look at the egg. It looks like Doritos. 見た見た。Let's see. Okay. Let's see what he does. Let's see. Pixel artist. Oh. It looks like he does 3D stuff. Isn't that right? Oh wow. Is it like, okay, I have a question about the voxels. Is it like Minecraft? Like each pixel is a 3D kind of thing? Is that how it works? Which program is this guy using? What is he using, I wonder? Maybe I should try it out. Maybe indeed voxels will be good for me. I don't know. I am willing to try. He's the only person I've seen achieve the voxel aesthetic so well. Sounds like it's really hard to do. Well, are you familiar with voxels? Dum, dum, dum. Maybe I will give it a try someday. Maybe I will. I am currently training my 3D skills, that because I don't have any, and I think they will be necessary for the GMTK game jam. Are you going to join the GMTK game jam, by the way? I think it will be fun. Oh yeah. A game jam once a year. I think it's fine. It's a little bit stressful, but you'll learn a lot. And it's fun. Okay, we'll check this one. Let's see. Look, huge chopsticks on the screen. Oh yeah, this is very impressive. It looks just like the art from Chrono Trigger, which is very impressive indeed. I wonder what kind of program is this person using? Did he state which program is he using for his art? Also, I wonder if he can make 3D models that can actually get rigged. Because I don't know. I mean, I would have, if I was him, I would animate this scene, but he didn't. Interesting. Looks just like the characters from Chrono Trigger, so that's very impressive. Okay, so maybe I will check him out. Maybe I will. Now, I probably want to add some nice shine right here. Let's add some nice shine. Coco. Like this. That's cute. isn't it? One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. Instant kawaii. Okay, but the the ratio isn't right. I need to put it somewhere here. One, two, three. There we go. Nah, still doesn't look right. Maybe like this? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay. Alright. For now, I think this is good enough. Hope you guys approve. Do you guys approve? Whee! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Whee! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The program is called Magical Voxel. No, I'm curious about it. I'm just not going to use it in the game jam because it's way too soon and I have already learned something. So, yeah. But maybe in the future I will check it out. I just have a very clear purpose for learning Block Bridge, which is for the game jam. And I'm kind of curious on whether I should stream myself doing the game jam. I don't know. It's a lot of pressure. And also streaming it. Maybe it can be fun. Maybe it can be exhausting. I don't know. Would you want to watch me make a game during game jam? Would you join the stream? Okay, maybe I will consider it. Maybe. I will think about it. I mean, it's on Saturday. I hope you don't work on Saturdays. It's on Saturday, and it's on Sunday, and it's on Monday. It's like it's a long one. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm the one who's doing all the work. Don't worry about that. Okay. So it is time to finish the stream. So I'm really happy you guys joined me today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today and working on the ramen spaceship with me. That was really nice. Yep. So if you have any questions or anything to say, this is the time. This is the time. And if you guys are curious about game development or game design, then I have a podcast about it, which is called Functional Fun. And if you want to check it out, I will put the link in the chat so you can check out the episodes if you're curious about them. Woo! Thank you so much, Dunkless. Yeah. And on Saturday, I will probably either stream some of the game jam stuff, but maybe it will be a longer stream. Maybe yes, maybe no. I am not sure yet. I will think about it. And of course, if you guys want to join our Discord to keep updated with like stuff, with like announcements and stuff, then feel free to join. Yeah. So that's all from what I have to say. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Thank you a lot for joining today. I really appreciate it. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your time zone.